watching today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome, well, wonderful, everything good in between. Thank you for watching and also for tuning in. I do appreciate it. As you can tell, I am so plain faced today. I do have my brows on, some mascara, eyeliner, and a lip gloss. And that's because I do have this cold sore on my nose that I am struggling with. Because, you know, in the middle of this pandemic, you know, you're not quite sure if your symptoms are flu symptoms, if you have the COVID, if it's allergies. But I mean, I test myself all the time. But the cold sore is just making me nuts. So I'm not going to put any makeup on my face. I also have some skincare treatments on as well. So, plus, you know what? There is just so much more going on in the world right now than me worried about the cold sore on my nose. Like, really. In any case, so we are going to be doing this unboxing today from Boxy Charm. This is the February box. It came a little bit late. We're just going to get right into it. And for many of you who do not know, the Boxy Charm is a monthly subscription. You have to start with the base box before you can subscribe to the premium or the Luxe box. This is the base. And I think I do have the Luxe box coming, but I probably would not keep the subscription for very much longer. But let's just see what we've got in this one today. We're just going to go as fast as we can right now. So let's just open it up. And of course, it's just basically very, very simple. The products in the Boxy Charm box is never, it's never wrapped. It's always just you toss it in, you seal it, and then you send it off, which is fine. So we're just going to get into it. I just wanted to make sure that my address wasn't on there. So here is the card. This is a Boxy Charm Be My Clementine. Of course, it was February for Valentine's Day. 5 products are in the box. Let's just see what we've got. So we are going to start off with OPV London, OPV Beauty London. This is a loose setting powder, and the shade of this is a medium. And the OPV Beauty Loose Setting Powder retails for $22. Okay, so let's just see what this looks like. Oh, very, very, very nice. Love the packaging. This is it right here. Very, very pretty. OPV Beauty London. Again, the retail price for this is $22, which is not bad. This is about the price that you would pay for a setting powder. So it's not a bad price. And we do have the Ace Beaute Glow Essential Highlighter Palette. Retails for $40. Nicely packaged. Really lovely. This is the packaging right here. And again, retails for $40. And this is probably the normal price for highlighters. And let's just see. Lovely. It has a lovely mirror to it. And these are the colors. They are very, very, very nice. And again, retail for $40. Not bad. I love the colors though. You have icy and glowing and popping, radiant, calming and beaming. The colors are really nice. Very, very pretty. Actually, I love that. Let me just put the plastic shield back on top. This is going to be great for spring and summer. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. Okay. Let me just get that back into the little bubble packaging. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, so moving on. Next we do have, is it Yensa? Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. So, nice packaging. Lovely and pink. Very, very, very pretty. Very be. And the retail price for this is $35. Ooh, that is a little expensive for this product, I have to say. $35 is pretty nice. I'm looking forward to using this one. And next we do have Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush. And this is, the retail price in this is $28. And we are going to open this up and we are going to see what this 4-in-1 multitasker looks like. Oh, I see. So you do have a brush in one end and you do have the sponge on the other. And I guess you can use this to set your highlight, I guess. It doesn't feel that soft. So it's going to be a little bit difficult to I guess it might work. So I guess you can use this as a highlighter brush, a powder brush, whatever brush you want to use this for. Nice and blue. And again, this is an EyeLiner. I'm sure that's what it's called. Yeah. EyeLiner Multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush. Again, it retails for $28. Wow. $28 for a brush. I wouldn't spend that money on a brush, to be honest. And last but not least, we do have this Lunar Liner. It's the Seraphine Botanicals Lunar Liner. This retails for $18. And let's just open this up quickly. And I'm just going to quickly peel that plastic off. And this is it right here. And let me just open that up. Oh my God. One little strike and it's really black. I've already have eyeliner on. Let's see. Wow. This is really nice. It does glide on very, very easily. This is a lovely eyeliner pencil. I really like this. And the fact that this is vegan is a lot more impressive. And so I really love the products that I got in this box from Boxy Charm for February. 5 full-size items. This is the eyeliner, OPVBEAUTY London. This is the setting powder, the Glow highlighter palette. I do have the primer right here. And of course, this is the Multitasker 4-in-1 brush set. Really good on Boxy Charm for the month of February for their Glamentine box. Good job. Love the products, and I'm going to leave everything down below for you guys just in case you want to try Boxy Charm. It's a good way to build your skincare and your makeup. And of course, if you're someone who is just starting out your YouTube channel and you want to do unboxing and you want to get into some beauty products, this is a good way to go. But I'm only going to keep this subscription just for a very short time. And I think I do have the Luxe box that's following this one. Anywho, my loves, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you guys next time. Doodles!